Why hello Chansians, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm making French toast but with hot dog buns. So what are we waiting for? Let's get right into it and start cutting up the hot dog bun. So I have hoagie rolls, not hot dog buns, because we got thick. They are thick. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut them into little pieces. And I've been so excited to do this. Like, I've been craving French toast the other day, and this one is going to be trash. But put into my stomach, trash. So that was a flop. Let's go ahead and put them all back over here and start cutting up the second hot dog bun. There's definitely going to be leftovers, and I'm excited because I'm making like a little drizzle, like sauce drizzle over the top for them as well. So for some of them at least, and then that one, it's like a sugar bit, and I am so excited for all of this. So yep, and one piece fell. Of course, trash. And that it can go off, and I will be ready. So now that I'm back, I'm gonna go ahead and take the knife and put it away. And shush. And then I'm gonna go ahead and make the mixture for the dip to prep the bread first. Well, for the French toast, I should say. So I'm gonna use 2 things of egg whites, so that is 1/3 of a cup. And we're gonna go ahead and pour that in because we do not do the regular eggs. And then we also go and put 80 milliliters of milk, which I don't ever remember there being milk in the French toast mixture. We're gonna eyeball it and call it that. Because, you know, looks about at 80. And voila. Now to actually get a plate, I will be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and get a whisk and a plate. So now that I'm back, I'm gonna go ahead and also make the coating for with the cinnamon and granulated sugar. So a teaspoon, and of course I need so now that I'm back, I'm gonna go ahead and actually start the coating and get a teaspoon of cinnamon. If it will come out. And then also get the 3 tablespoons of regular sugar. And put the clip back on. And then I am gonna go get a fork in order to actually get this ready, and then I'm gonna set up a pan because I don't know where my skillet is. So yep. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix the egg white and milk mixture. I did use oat milk, obviously, as you can see. So put that over there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mix all of the cinnamon and sugar together. And now that that's ready, I'm gonna go ahead and get a pan and get that ready as well and start on the French toast. So now I'm gonna go ahead and turn the skillet on, spray with some olive oil. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the bread in and soaking that up, well, letting it soak up and putting it on. I want to see how it looks first before I do anything else. And while that's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other recipe for the dip. So that is a powdered sugar icing. So that needs 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk, and I need a cup. So that is and so 2 cups powdered sugar. Cannot use that. So let's see. Oh. I need one that's smaller. Will that fit? Yes. Okay. And then, so I'm getting 2 cups powdered sugar. One. 2. And that was a mess. And then it says 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk. So I'm just gonna still use the same measuring cup and probably do a half. Let's see, is this French toast done? Almost. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use my fork and just mix that together. So that is probably done. Nope, not yet. So we still have a little bit of time left. That's good. So this is probably done by now. Yeah, that was way done. And now let's go ahead and get that fork cleaned off. And I'm going to go ahead and get that into the mixture of the cinnamon and the sugar. And that is literally it. I'm going to go ahead and make some more as well and literally go and yeah, enjoy. So I will be back for the rest of the bit. So the French toast hot dog French toast or hoagie roll French toast is now complete. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually take a bite of one of them. So fucking good. Now let's do it into the dip. Amazing. So happy I got to make these. Definitely gonna make them again. And 10 out of 10 would recommend. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up in the section down below. Don't forget to comment any video ideas you want me to do down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring that bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye guys. Love you.